fuck is this crackhead, bro?
He trying
Yo.
I'm not coming anymore.
You need help?
I'm not coming anymore.
Then why'd you come outside, you bitch? Oh! How are you gonna unlock the door when I start running to the other side? What's up?
What's up?
What's up, everybody? It's your boy AronRSX. It has been a long time, 9 months to be exact, since I last uploaded. I hope you guys are doing well. I just haven't been 100% to be able to create content for you guys and upload as consistently as I was before. This is the longest time I've gone without uploading to YouTube, and all I gotta say is that I'm very disappointed in myself. I let you guys down. You guys have been hitting me up on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, all of that, saying, when are you gonna upload a video? We miss you, all that. And I just haven't been 100% to be able to create these videos for you guys. I had a writing block, or I had a creator's block, or I think that's what it's called. I just didn't have any ideas on what to do. At that time, I didn't have a job for the first 3 months of 2023. But ever since March, I started a new job. I've been going to the gym. I started back in the beginning of February. This past month, which is August, marks 6 months or half a year into the gym. And hopefully, you guys can tell a difference as well through the camera. I think I made a pretty decent amount of progress during those 6 months, and I just been grinding it out in the gym, working. I was in school. I'm going back to school, and hopefully that doesn't take away from going back to YouTube. And I do want to get back to YouTube, hopefully once a week videos. I do have a lot of parts just sitting around the house. I ordered a lot of parts just sitting around the house, and they're just waiting to get done. And I want to be able to create and film content for you guys, because it's been too long. After I hit 2,000 subscribers back in December, November-ish, I guess I just stopped having the motivation to create videos for you guys, and that is very bad on my part, because I shouldn't be satisfied. I still have to keep going on top, keep grinding. You know, I should never be satisfied. I wanted to hit 10K subscribers by the end of this year, but I can't do it because of, you know, just haven't been able to do that. 2023 is about to end soon. We have about 3 months left, and I want to be able to create a couple more videos before the year ends. If you guys keep up with me on Instagram, you guys know what happened to the RSX and what has been done to the RSX. But here's a clip of the new rap that I did for the RSX, so cut to that right now.
And it's hard to talk about my problems. My phone lately on silent, don't call me about $1. It's time to cut some loose ends, no snakes inside my roster. Fuck watching the ice, gotta watch some of your partners. Teardrops on top of my umbrella, heart colder than December. Ain't Prince Charming, so it's fucking Cinderella. A story ain't always happy, that's something I had remembered. Sometimes the bad stories feel a little better. Teardrops on top of my umbrella, hot colder than December. Ain't Prince Charming, so it's fucking Cinderella. A story ain't always happy, that's something I had remember. Sometimes the happy endings isn't better.
Hopefully you guys enjoy that little cinematic of the RSX. I did go with the blue. I wanted to do a Midori green, but TinyBot just released a Midori green wrap that I was going to do, but I've heard a lot of things about TinyBot that is not very good for first time rappers and for the people who don't know how to rap that much and for like the first timers. So I went with Tech Wrap. Hopefully you guys like it. I like it a lot personally. I've always wanted a blue car. I've always wanted to change the color of the car. I always wanted to buy a OEM blue RSX before I got the silver one, but 1800 with RSX, I could not resist to buy it, even with a clean title 135k mile Type S for 1800 4 years ago. I could not pass that deal up. But I just want to say thank you guys for 2,000 subscribers. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I would never thought I would hit 1,000, even 2,000 subscribers. I want to keep going. I want to keep building this channel up to where I wanted to be. I'm not satisfied. I'm still hungry to keep pushing out these videos for you guys. I've had the motivation to make more videos recently, and I just want to end the 2023 year with bangers. I just want to end the 2023 year with content for you guys, videos, vlogs, everything, all of that. And that's about it for what I've been doing for the past 9 months and not uploading. Comment down below what you guys think of the color of the RSX. Enough talking, let me show you guys the RSX. This color I like so much. Like it's the perfect amount of blue, it's the perfect shade of blue. But here is the RSX in its entirety. I'll show you guys what I've done to the RSX, but here's a little quick walk around. She looking good right here. Okay, thumbnail, quick thumbnail. As you guys can tell, I wrapped the car, got new wheels and duckbill. I got new headlights as well. Those are clear, not amber anymore, as well as clear tails, a new duckbill, which I love so much. I love this duckbill. Damn, it makes the car look so aggressive from the rear, and I love it. And the clear tails just match with this color. I haven't had the time to put the lenses on, and I've just been too lazy, but I do have the lenses at home, and I will show you guys in another vlog how to do clear tails on the OEM taillights of the RSX. You can do it with any car, to be honest, but I will show you guys for the RSX in particular. These are work CR Kais in white. Still have the 326 lug nuts. Before you guys comment, their reps there, and there. They're a bit dirty, but it's cool. It don't look like that too much. Fronts are 18, 9.5, 12. Rears are 18, 10.5 plus 15. Look at that fitment though. Damn. Okay. Damn. Other than that, that's about it for the car and changes. As a first time wrapping a car, it wasn't too bad. I had help with Dylan and Ethan and a couple of the homies, and it wasn't too bad. I would say for a difficulty, I would rate it like a 4 or 5 out of 10 difficulty. But other than that, the car is, wrapping is not hard. Wrapping is not hard at all. All you need is a heat gun, squeegee, and what really helped me the most was a glove. I didn't really use a squeegee as much. I used the glove to lay and tack down the actual material, and I used magnets to help the wrap stick to the car before actually wrapping it, if you get what I'm saying. But I looked up videos from Paradox and other wrapping people, and I just basically went off their wrapping capabilities and their wrapping advice, and I took it. And yeah, here's the final product for the RSX on the wrap. Comment down below what you guys think of the RSX and the color and everything that I've done to it, and let me know what you guys want in future videos, future vlogs, and what I should do next. So without further ado, I'm gonna go take some pictures and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. This is just a little quick update vlog for you guys. Thank you guys again for 2,000 subscribers, over 2,000 subscribers, and I can't thank you guys enough for that. You guys really made my dream come true of filming and content creating and doing YouTube overall in general. So thank you guys again. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is AronRSX signing out. Peace.